sa Zarentians namin, meron dito, basta yun. Yan.
Gas dyan, bidas, gas giant, gas giant, solid or Zarenia. Zarenia sa gas, feeling gas,
Uy guys!
similar din sa Jupiter and unique.
Distance from the sun, 1.5 billion kilometers away. It's very far from the sun, which makes it a cold and distant world.
B!
Size of our planet 8,000 kilometers in diameter. Zarenia is much larger than Earth.
Surface covered in glowing blue gas with occasional windstorms. Rings and moons, our and moons.
Ang likot naman ito.
Planet.
Uy, walang tatawa sa inyo. Pag nakita ka tayong tumawa. Tandaan mo yan. Pag nakita ko tumawa mamaya. Galing niyo. Cheer niyo ako kasi bit ko to eh. Cheer niyo ako guys.
Our planet's special trait is our Zarentians is
Alam mo na yun kung paano i-model.
spin. Planet spin very fast and
Model yun.
and also it is a magnetic field and 10 times stronger than Earth.
Ganun mo na lang.
Ah!
Oh!
Did you know, everyone? Our planets some creatures like Luminor and Tyrells and Zarex. Did you know the Luminor? Yes, ito. Luminor is a floating through air and glowing as they move. And nakatira siya sa upper layers ng atmosphere na malapit sa glowing rings. Yeah. And Tyrells. Tyrells, it's like a butterfly, diba? And butterfly-like beings and also almost as big as a human guardian of the planet, natural and energy. And the last is Zarex. Yes, Zarex. Zarex is elegant glowing lizard, you know, kahit ganyan yan. Lizard na kayang maglakad sa solid core. And nakatira siya sa hidden flowing lands na sa loob ng